Welcome to a new episode of Shadowing Pills, the only place where you can practice while reading interesting topics. Today's episode is Why Sleep is the Ultimate Superpower. Sleep is often underestimated, but it truly is a superpower for your body and mind. When you get enough rest, your brain organizes memories, strengthens learning, and improves your ability to focus. This is why a good night's sleep can make you more creative, more productive, and mentally sharper. Sleep also protects your health. It strengthens your immune system, supports your heart, and helps balance your hormones. Well-rested people get sick less often and recover faster when they do. On the other hand, lack of sleep makes everything harder. It affects your concentration, your mood, your decision-making, and even your appetite. Over time, poor sleep can lead to stress, fatigue, and unhealthy habits. Experts recommend 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep for adults. A simple routine, like reducing screen time before bed and keeping a consistent schedule, can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful choices you can make for your health and well-being. And that was the topic for this shadowing pill. Subscribe and turn on notifications to receive your next shadowing dose. See you next time.